YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Marcel. In today's video, we're gonna be doing a night routine. Let's go. So before we start the night routine, let me show y'all how the waves looking. I done unwrapped. Let's get it, man. Yeah, tell me how it's looking. We going hard. Let go. Yes, sir. The waves looking. So YouTube, the first thing you want to do is you want to get your comb. Routine, you want to go ahead and just comb your hair out first. Every night, you want to make sure you're combing your hair out. It detangles your hair, right? And it allows the hair to flow naturally while you're sleeping, right? This thing going. All right, gang, let's get this side. Let's go. Let's go. Make sure you're getting all the angles. Next side right here, gang. Let's go. Let's hit right here. Let's get right here. Let's go, gang. If you're already liking the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. We locked in. Let's go. So next, gang, you want to go ahead and get your cocoa butter. Cocoa butter really lays your crown down. What you want to do is, all you want to do is apply some cocoa butter to your crown. All right, apply it to your crown. Cocoa butter is really gonna help lay your crown down. So just apply cocoa butter to your crown. All right, so every night you want to make sure you're doing this method, right? And you don't have to add as much as I did. You can just add a little bit. Let's go, gang. We locked in. You're a 360 wave beginner. This is a good method. Why? Because when you're laying your crown down, once the crown's laid down, because this is where your hair is growing, right? It's gonna lay everything else down. So definitely follow this method. So gang, the next thing you wanna do is go get your small toothbrush. You see we got the toothbrush, right? All you wanna do is focus on that crown area. And again, this is really good for beginners because when you're laying the crown down, right? It just allows all the other waves to just lay down. So look at the technique, follow along. Look at the technique. And look how nice my crown is closed, right? With the toothbrush is way better. I'm gonna be honest, it's way better than any brush because you're literally just isolating the crown. So let's get up here. Right here. So if you're doing this, take your time, go slow. No need to rush. Take your time. If you need to play the video back, play it back. All right, let's hit right here. So gang, what you want to do next is get your oils. I got my hair repair oil and I got my Jamaican black castor oil. We're going to apply the oils to our hair, then we're going to lay our hair down with the brushes. And the first thing you want to do is apply your oils. I like applying them right on the side here as well. Let me turn so y'all can see. A little bit right here as well. And all you want to do now, gang, apply it right to your hair. Straight down. And that's a lot. All right, so I'm just gonna add one because I already add some for today. Get the back. Cannot forget the back. So gang, now that we already add our oil, get your hard brush. Let's get to it. Let's put this work in. Let's go. All right, gang. So now you got your crown laid down. You got your oil applied. Let's go ahead and brush it down. And right now I'm only doing 10 strokes for each angle. So that's the first angle. My next angle gonna be right here, fellas. Let's turn a little bit for y'all. Right up here, fellas. Angle, fellas, I'm gonna just tilt right here. Well, fellas, it's gonna be right on top. So again, just do 10 strokes, 10 to 20 strokes. And if I do more than that, well, I miscounted. But we still good, gang. We got it. So let's hit right here. Let's go. At corners, I like to hit them just like this. The reason why I don't turn it is because for some reason, if I turn it, the waves crash. And it's been way better for me to just brush my hair down just like this. All right, my next angle right here. So gang, now you want to go ahead and get your medium brush. Your medium brush is going to help lay the hair down just a little bit. Let's go. And so now all we're going to do is we're going to go straight down with it. And again, you can do 10 strokes. Let's hit the next angle. It's going to be right here. Next angle, right here, gang. Ready? So y'all can see it. We're gonna hit the next angle right on top. Right on the left side top. Let's go. Left side. And I'm applying my oils and my pomade. Okay, gang, let's go and hit this side right here. Let's go. Let's get it. If you liking the video, go ahead and subscribe to the team. And go ahead and hit that like button, man, if you got some value. Let's go. Promise you, if you're a 360 wave beginner, this is definitely gonna help you. This night routine, man. All right, so let's hit right here. All right, gang, let's get your soft brush. So now that you have used your hard and medium, you wanna go ahead and get your soft brush. The soft brush is gonna really lay the hair down, all right? Y'all can see it's already doing this job. All right, it's gonna lay those hairs down. So let's get right here. Let's go, gang. Get it, next angle. Let's hit it. Oh. Let's go ahead and get on this side. Let's get it. Let's go. The soft brush is gonna lay all your hairs down. It's gonna make everything pop and look good. Stay with me. If you're a beginner, you need to be doing this every single night. All right, gang, let's hit that angle. Let's go. Hit right here. Let's get it. We locked in. Let's go. Alright gang, I gotta give y'all the bonus tip. A lot of people don't use this, but it's gonna be the plastic bag. Let me tell you why it's good. I know someone has some people saying, well, why did you fold your plastic bag and why don't you have the other plastic bags when you put your hands in? Well, this is for people who don't have these products, right? Or those type of products. You can go to Walmart and get this for about 99 cents and you get the packet for $3. So what you want to do with the plastic bag is just gently lay the waves down. And this works so perfectly. I've been doing this for years. You can fold it into a brush, right? And it'll lay everything down. All right, so let's hit this side too. Let's go, guys. Real easy, right? And real cheap, right? Come on now. Let's get it. Let's get on top. Eventually I will get one of those products, but I have not looked at any yet, but I'm gonna check them out though. I'm definitely gonna check it out. Until then, I'll be using this plastic bag. Let's go. And it's doing wonders, as y'all can see. 360 Wave beginner, and you don't wanna spend no money on those other products, just go to Walmart and go ahead and get you a plastic bag. We're gonna hit this side right here. Let's go. Right here, let's go. And it worked wonders. And if you want to, you can hit the crown. Real easy, real smooth, guys. All right, gang, let me show y'all the results. First of all, we use the pomade first to lay down the crown area, right? Look at the crown. Look how nice and close it is, right? Then we hit the back side, right? And we hit the sides with the hard brush as well, right? And the other brushes. Y'all can see how the top looking. We use the brushes to lay down the top. Locked in, look at this. Use the brushes to lay down this whole side. Just look how it's looking. Icy. Let's go. Let's get it. All right, gang, now what you want to do is go ahead and put your do-rag on. Let's go. We're going to get this. Let's get it, man. Y'all stay tuned because I'm coming out with a morning routine. So now if you also are following along, right, with the do-rag, right? Pull it right here. Let's go. Put it on this side. Go right here. And again, don't put none of these things in your mouth. That's nasty, man. Don't do that. And tight. Let me show you the back. And if you want to, you can twirl this up. Just nicely sit it right in the back. All around, right? Come on, gang. We like that. So if you like this video, hit the subscribe button. Also, I'm coming out with a morning routine. Stay tuned. I'll see you on the next one, gang. Peace.